Hi, Chris here from the Indicator Guys, and I'm just putting together this short video on how powerful the home trading system really is. Okay, so over the last couple of months we've been teaching our customers how to swing trade this using radar screen on daily charts, and it's really paid off over the last month, the month of May to June. We've had so many of our customers emailing us saying thank you and how much of a lucrative month it's been, and it has been for us too. You know, we take these swing trades too on our live accounts, and I'm just going to go through some of these trades now. So I'm going to go from in the order that's on my radar screen, which is alphabetical order. It's not necessarily the order we got into these trades, but it's just a neat order to go through. Okay, so one of the trades we was in was the Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. We got into this trade on the 2nd of May, so last month, and we've been in this trade all the way to yesterday. Okay, so all that happens is every day I get a little email from the home trading system telling me I need to update my stop. I come to my computer, I check the latest stop, which is here. I can also check this on the chart, which is these little white dots, and that's all I have to do from the point that I got in on EntryZone. You know, I just have to trail my stop down all the way down to here, where we got this kind of bounce on the lows. Price started to turn and got stopped out on my stop trail. So, you know, that's exactly what the home trading system is made to do. Be really easy to use. Okay, so another trade that we was in was the Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. Got in that the same day, the 2nd of May last month. So again, got in on an EntryZone entry, and the stop trail brought us all the way down to yesterday where we got stopped out. And you know, I saw this this candle here testing the lows, and I thought to myself, you know, this is going to be a bounce, but nothing was telling me to get out of the trade on the home trading system, so I stayed in. We got a trigger bar yesterday, which I actually missed the trigger bar, and we got stopped out some points later, but the stop trail protected us and got us out on a really nice price. So exactly what the home trading system is made to do. Okay, next trade was the Euro USD. Got in on this one on the 4th of May, and it's brought us all the way down here. Stop trails kept us in this trade, and we've got this trigger bar now. So I took myself out of this trade. We wouldn't have actually been stopped out yet. I checked this price, and maybe we have now, but this morning we hadn't. But I took myself out of that on the trigger bar anyway, because I can see quite a lot of these trades reversing now. So you know, whilst I was at my computer, I decided to take myself out of this trade based on the trigger bar. Okay, so another trade that we're in is GBP JPY. We got taken out of as well. On a stop out, got into this one again on the 2nd of May, brought us all the way down, trailing our stop down, and got stopped out of this one at 122,449 with some really nice profit. Now you don't have to worry about the fact that, you know, the price turns back up and stops you out, and some people might say, but I've missed all of these points. That's fine, that's part of trading. You do get some retracement, you know, and you can see your points going back up, but stop trail does get you out at levels of support and resistance, so it's a good thing to have. Again, we're still in this trade here, GBP USD. We got in on the 10th on this one, and it's come down nicely. Been taking our stop trail down as usual, and there's nothing telling me to get out of this trade at the moment. Yes, we have seen a bounce here. The price is going back up, but I haven't been stopped out, and I haven't got a trigger bar telling me to get out. So obeying the rules of the home trading system, which is what makes us the money, I'm just staying in that trade, because in all fairness, it could just roll over and go lower. So I'm still in this trade at the moment. Okay, another trade that we're in is the USD CAD. So the US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, and this is a trade that we're taking ourselves out of because we've got this trigger bar, a short trigger bar. So this was actually a long trade where the others have been short. We got into this trade on the 4th of May, and we've taken this trade all the way up to this trigger bar, which we're out of now. So as you can see, this is really making some great profit over this month. It's really turned around some of our customers' accounts, and some of the customers that might have been had smaller accounts. It's really brought them up to another level, and we're really excited for them customers. And that's exactly why this home trading system's been designed, to make it easy out of the box for any level of trader to trade this. It can be used for day trading. I use it to trade the E-minis during the day, and although this month that's been a little bit more stressful than this swing trading, it's still been making me some great profit on the day trading. And where that can be stressful for me during the day a little bit, because it's a really fast moving trades to be in, this swing trading is really relaxed. I only have to come back to my trades once a day if I get an email telling me to come and change something. Okay, so another trade that we're out of now is the USD CHF, which is US dollar Swiss franc. We actually got stopped out of this one. Again, another long trade, moved up the stop, and you can see these white dots here that are the stops. They don't get hit. They move up with the price protecting you until we get a rollover, and it hit these highs. It smashed through them, but just didn't have enough power to carry on, and it stopped us out with some great profit. And you can really see that the price is moving up a lot. That's a lot of money being made there. You got we're in another trade here, the USD Norwegian kroner. Still in this one. Got into this one on the 4th of May, moved it up with a stop trail, and we're still in this one at the moment, just keeping our eye out for emails that the home trading system sends us, which could get us out of these trades, but at the moment nothing's telling us to get out. Okay, and the last trade which we got out of today is the US dollar versus the Swedish krona. And we got out of this on a trigger. Well, we didn't get out of this on the trigger by yesterday. I noticed this today and got myself out of the trade. Again, got into this one on the 3rd of May, and we've just moved up with the stop trail, and we got this kind of reversal now. We've got a sell signal on the home trading system, so we just get out of the trade. And it's been really, really easy trading for a month, and it's been really profitable trading. And that's just the home trading system in a nutshell.